Alright, now bag and all. Let's put it in the microwave. Alright, so we got some. What the fuck? So we got some marshmallows, big bag of them. We're gonna put them in whole. Ready? Open up the microwave, Tim. No plate. Just take the plate out. Take the plate out, Tang. No, take it out. Jeez. Good. No, 5 minutes. Okay, so the bag just like popped and it's like everywhere. Alright, so oh my god, it's like all just put it back in, we're gonna keep going, we have 3 minutes left. It's gonna be so funny when it's done. Come on, T. Oh my god. Start it. Okay, so the 5 minutes is up. Let's take it out and see. Oh my god! Alright, so, oh my god. Wait, no, Ting, don't touch it. Oh my, the whole bag is just demolished.
Burnt plastic is toxic.
Oh shit.
Dude,